Hello everyone. Good morning. Yo. Today's breakfast's choice is cold brew leftover. I think time is currently like 8:30 a.m. I got up at 7:30 a.m. and honestly I have not really done much. I've been taking it very slow this morning. I have been up on the rooftop just laying in the hammock for a minute. It's because a girl is tired, okay? Also, guys, look at me yesterday. I was so productive. I crossed off everything except for filing a police report. Did not do that. This to-do list, sometimes I forget how writing things on a fat whiteboard really helps, because I can write in a to-do list online or in a journal and I will never look at it. Like, it just becomes too much. But this is like a little game, because like every time I get something done, I check it off right away. And it's like, ooh, rewarding, what's next? If you don't know what goes on in New York every single week, it's something called, and if you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Mai. I live in New York. Let me give you a rundown. It's called something like Fashion Week. What is Fashion Week, you might be asking? It is a week where a bunch of fashion going on in New York. So basically every year there's a spring summer collection and then a fall winter collection. And during that week, a bunch of the designers put on shows for their new pieces, or a lot of brands have events, and a lot of people fly in for this. And today is the first day, okay? I would say I like fashion. I really do. You know, we got our own clothing line and everything. You know, I like it. I just don't think that I have enough energy for it this year. So we're taking it slow this year. Good morning. Good morning. Yellow kiwi. Due to my time management skills, and by time management skills, I don't have any, and that's the issue. We are going to be trying to get ready today in 10 minutes because I have a tea tour. You're like, what's that? Are they gonna spill the tea? No. It is a double-decker bus that I'm gonna go on, and I'm gonna go with my mom. I like wanna look a little bit cute because I know she's gonna wanna take pictures, you know, so like I wanna look cute for her. So today we're gonna be doing Sophia Richie's slick back bun tutorial. I literally just figured out what this was the other day, and it's actually been amazing. So basically you just section off your hair like this, and then we're gonna clip her up, but then I'm gonna just spray my hair so it's wet. I think she likes to like do this out the shower or something, but I'm like, do I look like I have time to shower right now? This spray bottle is the best thing ever. I got off of Amazon, and like, look at the mist that this sprays out. Brush my hair back and put it into a ponytail. And if you're wondering why we're sectioning the hair, it's because it's going to make the middle part look so much more clean, because I feel like that's what I struggle with, is like making the middle part look good. Oh shit, what happened here? Oh, I see. Now I'm going to slick this hair back. But do you see how now this part is so clean, because you only have to worry about pulling back such little pieces of hair? We have a nice, perfect slick back pony. Cute. This stick from Amazon, I'm sure you guys have seen it everywhere. It is the best for baby hairs and flyaways. At least now we're giving the clean girl look, you know? Anything I put on is like, oh, at least she tried a little. What do we think? Sophia Richie, I think you're onto something. I really do think you're onto something. Skincare time. This is the Estee Lauder Nutritious 2-in-1 Foam Cleanser. Oh my gosh, so good. Hyaluronic acid. Oh, we're almost out. This is my second bottle. It's the Kiehl's one. It's just so potent and works really well at keeping my face hydrated. Okay, I'm gonna wear something super simple, jeans and a shirt, because I don't have time to think of anything else. This is my first time wearing these jeans. Look at how good they fit. I ordered them online. Yo, these are from Lucan, and this top is as well. I'll talk more about them later. All right, outfit is on. I'm gonna moisturize my face with the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic by Laneige. I just love the packaging, and I love anything hyaluronic. Perf. And while that sinks in, let us find a perfume. I want to try something new, but at the same time, I'm like, I kind of just want to go for our girl, Delina. I could just go for her big sister, Oriana, and I think I'm just gonna go for that, because I literally keep wearing Delina. I get compliments every single time I wear it by multiple people. Yesterday I wore it out. I filmed a TikTok being like, oh, you get compliments on it. I had dudes and females stopping me to be like, you smell amazing. I'm like, thank you. I need perfume. I'm gonna put it on this one.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna try the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. Actually, I did the other night already, but look at that. It blends in pretty nice. For a little bit of color on the lips, I'm just gonna use a little lip stain. This one is from Benetton. It's the OG. The OG. I'm like, do I wear this bag? Right? It's giving, ooh, tea time. Or do I wear this bag? This is giving cash, like, I'm ready to go, this one. I'm ready to go drink some tea. I also just want to do a quick clothing haul because I just got a bunch of new clothes, and most of the clothes that I'm wearing in this video are from the same place, and it's from Lukin, and I just want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. But if you don't know, Lukin is a leading Korean fashion brand, and they're based out of Seoul, Korea, and they're known for offering super trendy pieces that are K-pop inspired, Y2K inspired, and they also offer a lot of minimalistic styles, which I love because, listen, I'm an outfit repeater till the day that I die, okay? I love having basic pieces in my closet that I really like and mixing, matching, and making different outfits. I feel like it's just so easy to get ready that way, but their prices range from around $10 to $30 USD, and Lukin updates their collection with so many new arrivals every single week. They're so great that I wanted to partner with them on a giveaway, so you guys can get some of their pieces as well. All the information will be down in the description box below, so you guys can click the link to enter the giveaway. So I just want to say that if anyone's trying to hit you up in the comments saying, oh my god, you're a giveaway winner, don't listen to them, because the official giveaway winners will be announced on Lukin official Instagram or their lukin.com sign up page. So don't listen to anyone in the comments, but you guys can use my code MYFAM20 for 20% off. Intrusive thoughts makes me just want to grab the spoon right now. Strawberry matcha. First taste test of the Cha-Cha Matcha strawberry matcha. I've had it from Cafe Grumpy before, and then I've also had it in Bali, but I've never had it here. She's so good. But I literally have on my to-do list, and I only have like 3 things on there, and one of them is to make strawberry matcha because it's so good. She said social media influencer. We just got on the bus. I feel like such tourists right now, but I'm so excited. I've never done like a hop on, hop off bus tour before, and this is so cute because it's like tea is giving girl, you know what I mean? Like a little mommy daughter date. We have Wagyu with a pickle. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really scared. Here we have a quiche. We have a lobster roll. Lobster roll is smacking right now. The girl is singing live, bro. She's singing live on the bus right now. Times Square. Times Square. Times Square. New York. New York. Okay, I am home now from the tea time. Time is currently 3:41. I'm chilling in the very messy office. This room has been in a room makeover for the longest time. I honestly have given up, but not really, because I'm going to do it. It's just gonna take time. We started with the bathroom. I have a couple things next. I really want to do my living room. I have a bunch of lamps that I bought from Noguchi that I want to put up. I'm in the office because I just got new fabric samples for Alchemy. Basically, I'm just trying to just expand the clothing line. If you guys don't know, I have a clothing line. I know, crazy, right? I've never promoted it here on YouTube. I've talked about it, but by the time that I drop, I don't even get to put a YouTube video out yet before it's sold out, which is like the best problem to have. That's what I mean when I say like I want to expand more, get more pieces and stuff, because I would like to be able to sell things. Because if you guys like look down right now in the video, you'll see that there might be like a shoppable shelf, but they're all sold out. So I want to be able to have things available. Anyways, but I just got 2 fabric samples. If you just look at them, they look very similar, right? And I've probably gone through, I don't even know how many samples of fabric, but just nothing is correct. This is the rolls of fabric that the hoodies are made from right now. And it's a custom mill. So we're just trying to recreate like different versions and stuff of it. And this one's the closest one so far. So I'm going to call my production manager, who's also my friend. So it's kind of fun working together, even though we argue all the time. Yeah, we argue more than like 2 regular coworkers would, because it's like you know each other so well that you know that you can push each other's buttons. It's not even working, it's just arguing back and forth, but we end up getting things done. And it just makes things so much more rewarding though, the fact that we're so close. Hi. Thank you. You're welcome. Awesome, yes, thank you you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You as well. Guys, this has been on my to-do list forever, which is call my Canadian bank and get my replacement cards. I haven't had these cards for like over a year now, but it's just been on my to-do list. And the other day when I was being productive, I just did it while I was getting ready. Like I killed 2 birds with 1 stone because I was like, what am I doing? Like I could use this time to get things done, like make phone calls. When I have like a million credit cards and cards, I feel so like on top of my shit. I'm like, yeah, if one card fails, I have a million other. And I know it's just like, what do you mean, girl? But it's like the amount of times that my cards have just failed is too many, and then I have nothing as a backup, and it's just so stressful. Look at me being such a responsible adult. But it's kind of good though that I lose my cards, because you know what happens? All of my subscription services get canceled, and then I have to re-sign up, but then that means I'm not getting charged for like subscription services that you forget about, you know? Pick up, sir. Like, what?
Hello? But no, it's good.
What's good is this fabric. The blue one's softer and everything, but it's not the same. Like it has too much stretch to it, like this one. But we're good to proceed with the first people. Woo! Hi. Hello everyone. Okay, we're currently on the way to the Charlotte Tilbury event, but I have been just editing TikToks because I am trying to be on my TikTok game. Why is it so much harder than YouTube? Like that's what I feel like, but I feel like people say the opposite, but I just can't be out here like on my phone like doing this. My fingers just, it doesn't work, but we're trying. I'm trying to post like every single day of this week. We're definitely trying. Anyways, I'm about to be there in like 5 minutes or so, but they didn't allow any +1s, so I'm a little bit nervous because I'm like, who am I supposed to talk to? Like what, they expect me to socialize or something? Like who do you think I am? You know what I mean? But they sent me like a nice like Uber voucher, so you know what I chose? Uber Black. I'm gonna take you guys and show you guys what it's like. Thank you. Ooh, okay, we're doing the damn thing, guys. Social anxiety who? Hi, I'm here for my. Oh, this is so cute. First off is the bathroom, because girl, tell me why I had a Celsius energy drink. You know, because I need to hype myself up a little bit, but now girls gotta pee. Just me hiding in the bathroom. I feel like I'm in high school right now and I don't have anyone to eat lunch with. So I'm hiding in the bathroom. Oh my god, I almost dropped my sunglasses in the toilet. Slay. I literally don't know how to socialize. Like, what if I don't know anybody? I'm just gonna stand around and look. I'm gonna tosh the vlog. I'm gonna use you guys. I'm not using, well, I hate saying use you, but like, you know, like if I get awkward, we're just gonna vlog. I just met Christy. She just made things a little bit better. No, I was literally telling them, I was like, all right, if I don't find anyone to talk to, I'm just gonna talk to the vlog. So
I'm always gonna be here.
Wait, how long have you been watching me for?
Maybe over like 8 to 10 years now.
Bro, 8 to 10 years?
I'm
You've been in it for a minute.
Yeah.
Wait, you see me when I was like literally like
15.
oh my god.
Yeah. Like
Girl.
when you moved out.
Girl, we're gonna try some watermelon sashimi. Is it gas? Okay, cheers.
It's fire.
Wait.
Yeah.
The proportions are giving rich, skinny fashion week. What is this? Summer roll. Charlotte Tilbury, the catering tonight, amazing. All right, what are we doing right now?
We are about to mix you with Charlotte's Magic Hydrator Mist.
Okay.
Hydrate, brighten, improve radiance.
Oh, smells good. She smells good. Oh, that smacks. Thank you so much. Thank you. We are out. Thank you. All right, guys. We have just finished up with the event. It was really good. Honestly, I knew a lot more people there than I thought I did. I think yesterday night I was scarred from like going out and like not knowing anybody and then being awkward and then leaving. Anyways, we're gonna head home. I'm gonna change. I really wanted to shower and like redo my hair because I wanted like flowy hair, but I don't think we got time for that. So I think it's just a slick bun it is. But I'm like, ugh. All right, time is nearly 9 o'clock. I just got home from an event. We need to wash this hair and get to another event by 10. And by event, I mean club, okay? But I don't know how I'm gonna do it without ruining my makeup. Oh my God, my hair's stuck. All right, I'm gonna use the Living Proof hair strengthening. Just add some product to my hair. And then I'm also gonna add the bed head. I bought this for literally $10. All right. Time is currently 11:20. and we are headed out right now, guys. Me and my mom, we were a dream team together, okay? Alright, currently right now we are at the bar. It's 1 a.m. This pool game. I just went to Cafe Grumpy. We got the classic honey oat latte. If you don't know, I'm obsessed with the honey oat latte, and I used to get it every single day when I lived in the area, but it is the best. If you're like a vanilla latte girl, don't get the vanilla latte. You're gonna be disappointed. Trust me. And I know this from one experience and two, everybody else living through it. But this is the best. And I love seeing on your guys' stories when you take me when you come to New York and you're like, oh, try the honey oat latte, and it was like really good. But now I'm gonna go to this plant store. Where I bought my trees from in my house, and everyone seems to really love them, and I love them too. And it's because I've like never seen plants being sold, first of all, in New York City, but like plants like this. They're super cool. Like, look at this tree. Doesn't this scream Japan? Currently, when I used to live in the Lower East Side, I would come here all the time. They have food that is incredibly affordable and it is so good. My favorites are the Greek bowl and then this breakfast burrito. Look at this. Look at this. And then look at the fries. It's so good. I remember coming here like the morning after a night out and stuff with friends, and it's just such a vibe.